In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit category page in WordPress with Elementor. By the end, you'll know how to create categories, assign them to posts, add a flexible grid with Elementor using Royal add-ins, and publish your changes with confidence. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, open the post section from the left-hand menu and head to categories. Here's where you organize your content. Add a new category by entering a clear name. You can set a slug if you want a specific URL, choose a parent if it's a subcategory, and optionally write a short description. Click Add Category to save it. Creating categories first ensures your design work in Elementor has content to pull from. Next, return to your posts list and assign your new category to at least one post. Open a post, locate the categories panel, check the box for the category you just created, and update the post. If you're managing many posts, use Quick Edit to toggle categories without opening each entry. This step is key. Elementor's grids can only display categories or posts that actually exist and are assigned. Now install the tool we'll use to visualize categories. Go to Plugins in your dashboard, choose Add New, and search for Royal Elementor add-ins and templates. Locate the plugin, click Install, and then activate. Make sure the core Elementor plugin is already active so these widgets appear in the editor. With that done, go back to Posts, open a post you want to style, and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor panel, scroll to the Royal Add-ons section. Look for a grid style widget, such as a posts grid or categories grid, depending on how you want to showcase your content. Drag it onto the page where you want your category area to appear. Configure the widget's content and query settings so it shows the categories or posts you care about. You can filter by category, adjust the number of columns, change image ratios, and toggle elements like titles, excerpts, dates, and category badges. In the Style tab, fine-tune typography, spacing, hover effects, and colors to match your brand. If nothing appears, double-check that your posts are assigned to the category and that the query isn't filtering everything out. When you're satisfied, click Publish or Update. Preview your changes to confirm the grid looks great on desktop and mobile. That's it. Your category display is now organized, branded, and powered by Elementor and Royal add-ins. Thanks for watching and happy building.